My name is Kevin Martini with the Kevin Martini Group right at Gateway D&J Mortgage right here in Raleigh, North Carolina. And this is the Weekly Martini. What an exciting week it has been. Snowflakes in the Triangle and fantastic news in the housing sector to confirm this sector is green and growing. Let me start with housing. No pun intended. Housing starts surged by over 12% in December, 954,000 units on an annualized basis. And friends, that is the highest level since 2008. Also, we saw building permits have growth from previous month. In my opinion, this is a clear sign of future construction and growth in the housing starts. A trusted industry research group called CoreLogic reported that home prices rose 7.4% in the year ending November. This is not a filter report. In other words, this report included all sales to include distressed sales, so they were not omitted. This reading is the largest year-over-year reading since 2006. Now, we all know that real estate is local. Later in this episode of the Weekly Martini, I will share some local stats for the fourth quarter in the Triangle. But if real estate had a national forecast, we would have to look at the Case-Shiller Index. In its recent release, it showed a 5.6% increase in home values. Friends, the fundamentals are pointing towards larger gains for housing prices in the next couple of years. And with home loan rates remaining near their record lows, great opportunities are available. And I'm here to help provide great mortgage rates, trusted advice, and turbo-quick, stress-free closings. I invite you to give me a call so I can have the opportunity to help. Now, all this good news shares a potential risk of inflation. Now, inflation is the nemesis of mortgage bonds, and mortgage bonds is where Raleigh mortgage rates and carry home rates live. Two key measures of inflation that the Kevin Martini Group follows are the Producer Price Index, also known as the PPI, or the CPI, also known as the Consumer Price Index. And both of these reports were shared last week, and it showed that inflation is tame and not a factor at this point. Next week will be a short trading week, and the economic calendar is pretty quiet. But we are in earnings seasons, and this does impact where the investor parks their money. The markets will be closed on Monday in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Now, just because the markets are closed does not mean I'm not available. Simply give me a call. It's my pleasure to serve as your trusted mortgage advisor. In closing, check out the Triangle's fourth quarter results at the end of this video. And thank you for watching the Weekly Martini. And thank you in advance for sharing. Have a great day.